Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue chapter 9 differentiation, lecture 2 of 5 part 3. Now we continue to higher order derivative. Occasionally, it is useful to differentiate the derivative of a function. In this context, we shall refer to f prime as the first derivative of f and to the derivative of f prime as a second derivative of x. We could denote the second derivative by f prime prime, but for simplicity we write f double prime. Other higher order derivatives are defined and denoted by f triple prime. In general, for n more than 3, the nth derivative of f is denoted by f to the power of n. For example, f to the power of 4 or f to the power of 5. In Lipschitz notation, higher derivative of y equals to fx are denoted as follows. For the first derivative, y prime, or you can write f prime x, or you can write dy dx, or we can write d dx fx, close the bracket. Okay, for the second derivative, you can write as y double prime, or f double prime, or d dx dy dx, means d squared y dx squared, or d squared dx squared for f prime or for fx. For third derivative, you can write as y triple prime, or f triple prime, or d cube y dx squared. Okay, and so on. So for example, if you want to find the nth derivative, so we just write y to the power of n, or l, or f nx, or d ny dx squared, or df n dxn. Okay, this is how to write the higher order of derivative. So you have to know up until third derivative. Okay, first, second and third derivative. So usually, for the simplicity of writing, you can write y prime, y double prime, and y triple prime, or f prime, f double prime, f triple prime. Okay, thank you. I will continue. Example 8. Find the first, second, and third order derivative of px equals to negative 2x to the power of 4 plus 9x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7. So to find the first derivative, you can write dp dx, or simply you can write p prime x. P prime x means dp dx is equals to negative 2 times 4, negative 8 at to the power of 4 minus 1, 3, plus 9 times 3, 27, x squared minus 10x. Differentiate 7 is 0. So this is the answer. What is second derivative? For the second derivative of p, we will write d squared p dx squared, or you can write as p double prime x. Okay, so the answer is negative 8 times 3, negative 24 x squared, plus 27 times 2, 54 x. Differentiate negative 10x, negative 10. Okay, this is the second derivative. What about the last one, the third derivative? You can write as d cube p dx to the power of 3 equals to p, or you can write as p double prime x, triple prime x, equals to negative 34 times 2, negative 48 x. Differentiate 54x, 54. Okay, differentiate negative 10, 0. So this is the third derivative. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue chapter 9 differentiation lecture 2 of 5 part 3. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue chapter 9 differentiation lecture 3 of 5 part 1. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue chapter 9 differentiation lecture 3 of 5 part 2. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I will continue chapter 9 differentiation lecture 3 of 5 part 3.